What's going on, y'all? Happy Monday. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Dose with yours truly, Kevin Weedmark, a.k.a. the Mortgage Mouth. And who missed me, right? You had a weekend. You were probably sitting by your YouTube channel like, where is he? Well, yeah, it was the weekend. We all need a break every once in a while. Anyway, the Daily Dose, the fastest 2 minutes of what happened, what market data came out that affected treasuries, interest rates. The big news today, and it wasn't even really that big, manufacturing PMI came out under forecast. Hey, is the economy again slowing down? And then we had the services side. That picked up. Prices are on the hike, and that could be inflationary. We saw a rally in the Dow and in the markets. And what does that do? It just says traders moving money from treasuries into the market. They want to ride that rally. We'll probably see that back and forth for a little while here, for a good portion of the week. We do have GDP, and then we have a big number on inflationary number coming out with PCE on Friday. We also had some new announcements of tariffs from Trump. We saw some easing, and then I think I read tonight he's potentially going to put some tariffs on pharma. Again, it's going to be a bumpy ride. I said it was going to be bumpy for all of Q1, and I'm changing that to most of Q2 as well. So, hey, just make sure you're working with your professional. Make sure you're not getting greedy is the biggest thing. And just lock in those lows. When you perceive a valley working with your professional, make sure you just take advantage, lock it in, and worry about it another day when the market really changes, and you can lock in a lower interest rate with a refinance. All right, y'all, have a good night. I will talk to you tomorrow with another episode of the Daily Dose. See ya, and don't forget to subscribe to the Mortgage Mouth on YouTube. Cheers.